Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to SHIB INU throws a massive bombshell. When Twitter fails, it will SHIB news. Shiba Inu survives the cryptocurrency market crashed on Monday morning, November 21, with the worldwide MC falling 4.5%. Two of the cryptocurrencies feeling the heat are Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, both of which have seen sharp declines in value. In this video, we'll discuss Shiba Inu's enormous bombshell. When Twitter fails, it will news about SHIB survives Shiba Inu. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis. The price of SHIB has dropped by 6% in the last 24 hours, while Dogecoin has lost 11% during the same period. This is the latest in a string of losses for these coins over the past few weeks. They have been losing ground to their fierce rivals following the surge that these coins experienced in the final week of October and the beginning of November of this year. According to cryptocurrency analysts, the recent bull run that Doge and SHIB registered was the reason for their decline. However, the surge was likely caused by hype rather than a sustainable growth factor. Twitter's excitement could not last unless these currencies were adopted in the anticipated manner. If that didn't happen, in addition to their lack of utility, Shiba and Dogecoin will continue to struggle to maintain stability. According to cryptocurrency analysts, Dogecoin and SHIB will continue to fluctuate in price over the coming weeks until the pump is reached. The first cryptocurrency diner in Australia features a logo of a shibao with fiery wings, possibly hinting at the SHIB burning mechanism. Hashtag Shiba wings opening on the hashtag Gold Coast hashtag Australia. This is awesome hashtag Shiba wings hashtag cryptocurrencies hashtag Shiba Army. The SHIB Army will have another Shibu-themed eating establishment in Gold Coast, Australia. The coastal city in Queensland will host Shiba Wings, a chicken restaurant with a crypto ATM installed on the premises. November 20, 2022, Shippo Economics. Robust SHIB tokenomics, the K9 currency gave way to Leo-staked Ether for the 13th position in the crypto charts after losing 200 million of its market capitalization over the last 24 hours. It trades below the key resistance line of 0.009 for the first time since June 21, 2012. SHI is trading at 0.869, down 4.20% over the last 24 hours. The crypto bull took a toll on the meme coin with a 13.3% monthly deficit too. In other relevant news, SHIB trading activity on Coinbase maintained 91% of buys once again. The positive indication from Coinbase users correlated with approximately 5,000 new SHIB. Ethereum network wallets. Based on wall statistics, there are 127,98,182 active wallets overall, with an average of 80 B363 mil 500 and 2179 of those held by the top 100 ETA whales. The last 24 hours have seen 91% of trades on Coinbase being purchases and 9% being sales. SHIB November 21, 2022. Alexander at Alexander despite the continuous bear market. Shiba Inu's popularity does not seem to be waning. Undoubtedly, the FTX empire's collapse had a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Almost all cryptocurrencies saw price declines, with Bitcoin falling to a price of approximately $115,000. However, the market, which is showing signs of slow recovery, provides some respite. Over the past 24 hours, major cryptocurrencies have traded at single-digit losses. In just 2 days, SHIB attracted 5,000 new members, according to whale figures. As of November 17 and 19, the total number of SHIB holders was 1,271,666. However, according to information from CoinMarketCap, that number rose to 1,276,281. The trading volume on SHIBA has increased by over 92% in the last 24 hours, despite the fact that most cryptocurrencies, including meme coins, have lost some of their value. The trading volume has increased significantly, and it currently stands at 954,458. DX's trading volume for SHIBs is currently at 171,976,369. Notably, there has been a slight increase in the burn rate over the same period. According to details from Shern, 38,216.61 SHIB have been sent to dead wallets during this period, with the majority of burns resulting from the two large transactions involving, according to statistics gathered by CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu has maintained its investor base despite the difficulties in the cryptocurrency markets. Its popularity appears to be growing with every new investor that enters its ranks. Shibainu has consistently increased over the past month. As of November 20th, there were 5,970 holders. On October 22nd, there were 1,228,1876 holders, and on November 19th, there were 1,278,108 holders, representing a weekly gain of almost 5% throughout the period. The increase from November 14 to November 19 was approximately 12,452, and according to holder statistics, there have been 14,643 hours. In the meantime, the top 10 holders of the currency account for approximately 62.71%, while the top 20 owners own approximately 7.76%. BONE will be used as gas in the Shibarium network and has a good use case in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The token spiked 110% after unification. The company responsible for creating the Shibarium network had stated that the L2 documentation would be made available in the third quarter of 2022. However, this announcement was later changed, leaving the Shibarium documentation looking weak in the market. The Shiba Inu ecosystem token, called BONE, saw a sharp decline in price following this month's FTX-caused cryptocurrency crash. The crash occurred 2 months after the BONE doubled in value, reaching $11.10 from $0.48 in August of this year. Following the postponement of the Shibarium documentation by unification, the BONE's prospects and the indexes remained damaged. In other words, it fell precariously close to bear markets, and its extraordinary rally came to an abrupt end. The launch of the Shibarium documentation caused a rise in news. In the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shibarium is the only vehicle that can bring BONE to life. Without the L2 network, the token may find it difficult to scale up in price sustainably. The only thing that can bring BONE back to life is a unification that announces the date of launch for the Shibarium documentation. The price of BONE crashed after unification delayed the release. In conclusion, the token may surge in anticipation of the release of the Shibarium documentation. However, BONE cannot exist without Shibarium and requires the L2 network to boost its price. As of right now, BONE is trading at $0.65, down 4.4% from its peak of $15.50 in July 2021, and down 95.8% from its all-time high. Investors in Shino may be in for some positive news. There are speculations going around that Tesla may start accepting Shiba Inu as payment. The source of the rumor is an examination of the source code on the Tesla website, whereby the payment option SHIB is displayed. However, since Tesla announced a $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase and its inclusion as a payment option in early February, there has been no official word from the EV company regarding this. The top cryptocurrency witnessed a 23% increase, spiked to the upside, and some analysts claim that this was the main cause of Bitcoin's mid-April highs, even though Shiba Inu had a stellar run of performance in October, with gains of around 800%. And an all-time high of 0.885. Critics are still vocal. The story is that while SHIB is just another gimmick that will eventually go bust, Shibainu is still strengthening its core competencies. For instance, the recent success of its Shashi Nefts set a two-tier $8,600 price floor. That concludes today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. SHIB is an ERC20, which makes it a bad payment option given the high and unpredictable gas fees of the Ethereum network. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.